In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through a bodyweight glute bridge to primarily work your glutes and hamstrings. Now, you don't need any equipment for this, but I would recommend a mat for general comfort. So what we're going to do first is you're going to be laying on your back. I want your lower back, mid back and upper back to all be in contact with the mat or floor that you're using. My feet are going to be hip width apart. I'm pointing directly forwards. I'm going to have my heels nice and close to my glutes. They won't be touching my glutes, they'll be slightly away, but I've got a position here where my calf is in contact with my hamstring when I start the exercise. In terms of hand position, they can be like so, they can be to the side of the body, or they can be out away from the body, whatever you would prefer. The main thing to nail is the actual movement of the glute bridge. Now, first thing I want you to think of is we're going to do this in segments. So you're going to tuck your tailbone in and up to create a pelvic tilt first. Then you're going to bring your lower back off the floor and then your mid back. And at this top part of the motion, I want you to squeeze the glutes as hard as you can. Then we're going to do those in reverse. So mid back down, lower back and tailbone. At this point, lower back should be on the floor completely. Again, I'm going to tilt my pelvis up, tailbone comes off the floor, lower back, mid back, big squeeze the glutes at the top of the motion. Then from here, mid back, lower back and tailbone. Once you've done this for body weight, what you can do to make it harder is have a dumbbell on your lap if you'd prefer, add some resistance and weight to the exercise if it's a little bit too easy. Now, the reason why we're doing that shift with the pelvis and bringing the tailbone up first is because we want to work the right target muscles. We want to get the glutes and hamstrings active. We don't want to come up through lower back first, where then you might come into a position where you're doing your glute bridges, but all you can feel is the lower back when you do the exercise. We're not looking to feel the lower back activate first. We're looking to try and get those hamstrings and glutes active when we do the exercise. That's how you do a bodyweight glute bridge, and you would repeat that for your desired amount of sets and repetitions.